Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Yooka-Replaylee game, crashing, not launching, lagging, freezing, low FPS, black screen, not loading error on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart the game. For that, first select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and finally select clear persistent storage. Next method is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, then select settings. Now choose network settings, then click on test network connection, then wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next solution is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for Yooka-Replaylee update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating, now see if the issue is resolved. Next method is to clear cache of Yooka-Replaylee. For that, open Xbox guide, then click on my games and apps, then tap on see all option. Here search for Yooka-Replaylee, then press menu, then select manage game and add-ons, then tap on save data, then click on reserved space and finally tap on clear reserved space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, first press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to check for Xbox update. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to the latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then choose system and then select updates. Here choose if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Next method is to check storage space. So for that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, and click on settings, then click on system, then click on storage option. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create some space, and after that try to launch the game and see if it's working. Next solution is to reinstall Yooka-Replaylee game. So for that, open Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps, then select see all option. Here select Yooka-Replaylee game, then press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, now open Yooka-Replaylee official website and then download the game once again and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, the final method is to take help from the support team. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end. And after that, you can easily play the game without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.